So the first step is to line up the equal sign. This paper already lined it up for you. I will line mine up, so I'll put x minus 3y equals 2, and then I want the other equal sign right there with that one, minus 3, and I have negative x plus 2y, right? So I have my equal sign lined up. I'm going to choose a variable. We can choose any variable we want, but like your notes said, go back to your notes right here, you're choosing a variable that I want to eliminate, but like yesterday, we wanted to pick the easiest one. So when we're looking and we want to eliminate one of these, well, I guess you kind of get to the second step, but I need the coefficients, right? So we're going to identify the coefficients. Notice right here, this is a 1 and this is a negative 1 for the x. This is a 3, this is a 2, right? We're going to multiply each equation by the number needed to make them the least common multiple, right? I put that in quotes because many of y'all will not remember what that is, right? I want one positive and one negative, okay? A least common multiple is the number that both of the numbers can be multiplied to get. So like 3 and 2, what's the smallest number that they can both be multiplied to get? 6, right? I can multiply 3 by 2 and get 6. I can multiply 2 by 3 and get 6. Well, I don't really want to do a whole lot of work, but if I look at the x's, these are already the same multiple. They're already the same, so we're good right there. Again, it's a very easy problem to start out with, right? So we're going to multiply them, one positive, one negative. Well, again, we got lucky. We got one positive one, one negative one. So really, we don't have to multiply these by anything, okay? Then we're going to add the two equations together to eliminate the variable, right? How do we add the two equations? You add things that are able to be added, right? So if I look at this, I have 1x minus x is 0. That goes away. Negative 3y plus 2y is negative 1y. The equal sign comes straight down. The 2 minus 3 is negative 1. Okay? Oh, that's not good. So it says solve the new one variable equation. If you notice, our new equation only has y in it. We got rid of the x. Stop doing that. And then we plug our answer into the original equations and solve. All right, so we need to solve this for y. So I divide by negative 1, divide by negative 1. The negatives cancel and the 1s cancel, and we get y equals. Negatives cancel, and 1 divided by 1 is 1. So y is 1. Now, just like yesterday, we want to take this and plug it into one of the other equations. And we are going to find, since we have y, now we got to find x. Both of these equations are set up in a way where it doesn't really matter where we go, right? It doesn't matter which one we plug into. So I'm just going to plug into the first one right there. So I got 1x minus 3y equals 2. But instead of y, I'm plugging in a 1. So I got x minus 3 equals 2. 3 times 1 is 3. And then I will add 3, add 3. This will go away. And I have x equals 5. Just like we talked about yesterday, the solution for this one is my ordered pair, right? So it's 5, 1. There's my ordered pair. That is the actual solution. So this is two equations that intersect, right? Hopefully that's a good reminder for everybody. If you haven't already written the notes, make sure that is in your notebook.